Shazam! Hey, how you doing? This is Tom. This is Tom's Radio Room Show. This is radio from Jeff's collection. It looks like a nice little radio, and it looks, fairly new. It's got a LCD display, and it's called Wodeke, something like that. I tried to find this on the internet this morning, and the only place I could find it is Chinese distributors. I couldn't find anybody that sells them that you could buy one of them. This is AM and FM with an alarm clock. Jeff got this off of eBay for $12.89. Perfect condition. Earphone jack. Up and down tuning, power, AM and FM selection or alarm on and off or scan, time set or sleep mode. Over here, this is to tune the memory channels that it found during this, or set up during the scan. And over here, there is nothing. Uses 2 AA batteries. There's a model number, W-201, made in China, of course. Very short, I think it's less than a foot. Telescopic antenna, but it does a pretty good job. I did a scan on both the AM and FM bands this morning, and it did a pretty good job, especially on FM. I will try to quickly tune through those stations. Nice bright
hey everyone, Ryan here. If you're like me,
reading.
your personal messaging is also your personal space.
Very easy to read.
That's why it's nice to know that privacy isn't just
AM.
on WhatsApp. It's built into everything they
That's
do.
a strong
That's why
station.
no one, not even
So now we
WhatsApp,
can use
see or
this
hear your personal messages.
to go
So
through the
call your
memory
mom,
locations.
ask about the latest work.
There's P2. Yeah, that's gone. There's P3. Not too directional. P4. 5. Yeah. Just picked up noise there. There's a station. You have to turn it this way. Station is that way.
Pro-Al-Qaeda, pro-ISIS, pro-Hamas. There's no
It's a
difference
little
whatsoever.
tinny.
And you're 100% right. There ought to be red flag laws if you...
Didn't pick up a lot of stations on AM. Too noisy in my office.
1270. Call right now.
Next morning here, the Patrick.
Okay, now let's try FM and try to stay away from music. Yep, there's music. There's P1, noise. P2. Yep, and missed that one. There's where it should be. Yep, music. Music.
We'll learn some lessons from the biblical character.
It's struggling. Music. No music. No music.
Good. President Trump bade farewell to Elon Musk at the Oval Office this week. One public policy expert that he says Musk's
Pretty
time would go.
kind of weak.
311.
This weekend's music brought to you by...
Yeah, noise. No music.
Alternative is WTBV 101.5.
Interference there.
National Diamond Center, and then getting to know
That's
me
good.
personally,
Kinda
and finding
tinny.
out that I am a nurse, a first
Yeah,
responder.
kinda
They
tinny.
offered a-
Anything like this. And I remember
Little weak. Yep. Well,
How you... Any... Buyers told Bank of America they're not sure now.
so it picked up 30 signals on FM. At least 25 were real stations, and of those, probably 20 were pretty strong. Pretty cool little radio. Nice cloth carrying strap. Excellent. It's like brand new. Don't know what the vintage is. Thanks for watching. Thanks, Jeff, for loaning me these radios. And I got an alarm going off in the background. I got to go do something. So have a great day. Bye-bye.